Hello guys, good morning. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, we're gonna try a celery drink. So first of all guys, before, I don't really like celery because it smells so like, I don't know, I cannot explain. It smells so strong guys, and I'm not a big fan of it. I've seen a lot of people do a celery juice guys, so I'm just curious what it tastes like. For today's video guys, as you can see here, I'm gonna be using my big juicer. Reminders guys that this juicer is not gonna work if you're not gonna lock this thing over here. So keep in mind that you need to lock this thing, because the first time I did not lock it and it did not work. So we need to lock this thing. I have the celery here already. We are done with our celery juice. So ito na siya guys. Ito na yung itsura niya. I put some celery in there. It's super green, diba? Green na green guys. I'm kind of excited to try this, but at the same time, I'm really scared. I hope I'm gonna like this. Oh no! The smell is really strong right now. Let me have another sip, guys. No, look ang celery, guys. Oh my goodness. Right now, I'm not sure if I can drink the whole thing, though. I feel like if I drink this, like right away, the whole thing, I feel like I'm gonna throw up or sasakit siguro yung ulo ko, guys. But it's not really that bad, because if you tried celery, guys, it's kind of like the same, exactly the same. But it's just like, it's kind of like it's more strong. Because I do eat celery sometimes, but I need to have a ranch, you know, para ma-appreciate ko yung celery. You know what? It's a dare, guys. So, I dare myself to drink half of this one. So, are you guys ready? Let's do this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. They said this one is really good because it helps you cleanse your body. For the sake of that, guys, I'm gonna drink it. I might drink this all because sayang naman siya if itatapon ko siya, guys. So, next time, maybe when I get used to it, then I'm gonna, you know, make some more and put it in my fridge. But I don't want this one to waste, guys, because it's not good to waste food, okay? Guys, let's do this, guys. May bubbles pa siya, guys. Oh, thanks God. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.